Ever wondered if you can get a full makeup kit that actually works without draining your wallet? Well, guess what? Today, I'm about to show you the most affordable makeup kits that beginners swear by, and they're all available on Amazon for under $30. When I first got into makeup, I was completely overwhelmed. So many products, so many prices, and everyone online seemed to use stuff that cost more than my weekly budget. I once spent $75 on a foundation kit because I thought expensive meant better, and it didn't even match my skin tone. Lesson learned. That's when I turned to Amazon, read reviews, tested products, and discovered some seriously underrated gems that gave me flawless results for way less. Let's start with the basics. First up, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and e.l.f. Camo Concealer, both beginner-friendly and under $10. Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette, only $5. And for that glow, Milani Baked Blush and Makeup Revolution's highlighter, Amazon gems under $10. And Wax Soft Matte Lip Cream, $6 and smells like cupcakes. And the Real Techniques brush set, $1.20 for everything you need. So, which product are you trying first? You don't need $500 to glow, just the right kit. All links are below. I started with just one product, just a concealer. Then I added a palette, then a brush set, and before I knew it, I had a full kit that made me feel confident every day, all from Amazon. Coming up next, I'm doing a full face using only these products. You'll see the results in real time, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. Check the description for direct Amazon links to every product I mentioned. If you shop through them, you're helping support this channel, and it means the world to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone just starting their makeup journey.